How you doing, everybody? What narcissists do when they can no longer control you. Shocking behavior exposed. That's the title of this video. Have you ever felt like someone in your life changed the moment they could no longer control you? One minute they adored you, and the next they turned cold, vengeful, even cruel. What happens when a narcissist loses control over you will shock you. And today, we are breaking it down step by step. Watch until the end, because the final phase is something most people never see coming. What narcissists do when they can no longer control you. Number one, they panic internally. When a narcissist realizes they are losing their grip on you, their first reaction is panic. This isn't always visible on the outside, but inside they feel a loss of power, which they equate with worthlessness. Their identity often depends on controlling others, so your independence becomes a personal threat. They launch a smear campaign. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they go on a smear campaign. A narcissist's favorite weapon when they lose control is your reputation. They'll twist the truth, they'll spread lies, and they'll paint themselves as the victim. Their goal is to ruin how others see you so they can maintain dominance in the social narrative. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they gaslight harder. Even after you pull away, they may try one last ditch effort to make you doubt yourself. You're overreacting. That never happened. Now, that is what gaslighting is all about. Gaslighting becomes more extreme when they feel their control slipping. Now, when a narcissist can no longer control you, they hoover you back. Hoovering is named after the vacuum. The hoover technique is when they try to suck you back into the cycle. They try to suck you back in the cycle. So expect false apologies. Expect fake empathy. Expect promises to change. It's all bait to regain control, not genuine remorse. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they switch to silent treatment. When manipulation doesn't work, they may punish you with silence. The sudden lack of contact is meant to trigger abandonment anxiety in you, to make you come crawling back. They play the victim when they can no longer control you. To outsiders, and sometimes even to you, the narcissist becomes the wounded hero. They tell stories of how you hurt them, flipping the narrative to ensure they still have allies and sympathy. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they find a new supply. Narcissists need attention like oxygen. If they can't get it from you, they'll quickly pivot to someone else, a new partner, a friend, or even your enemy. The goal is to make you feel replaceable. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they copy your strengths. One creepy thing they do, they mimic your behavior. They'll start talking, dressing, or acting like you, especially the parts of you that made you strong. It's a form of identity theft rooted in jealousy. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they triangulate. They may bring in third parties, that is exes, friends, family members, to create drama. The goal is to make you feel isolated or question your reality while reinforcing their power in the group dynamic. They pretend to move on loudly. So, expect grand posts, dramatic displays, or stories about how amazing life is without you. It's all curated to get a reaction. Behind the scenes, they are still watching you. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they watch you closely. Even if they are silent, don't assume they are gone. Narcissists often stalk your social media. They ask mutual friends about you, or even drive by your home. They want to know if you are suffering without them. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they try to discredit your healing. As you grow, they may downplay your progress or accuse you of acting better than everyone. They can't stand watching you thrive without them. It feels like rejection all over again. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they attempt to rewrite history. You'll hear things like, I was never that bad, or you misunderstood everything. They manipulate past events to make you feel like you imagined the abuse. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they trigger your trauma. They'll remind you of painful moments, bring up insecurities, or even revisit old wounds. It is not random. It's a calculated way to weaken your boundaries and reclaim power. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they bait you into contact. Narcissists might send cryptic texts, post vague status updates, or message people close to you, hoping you'll reach out. Don't fall for the bait. It's just another trap. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they imitate a new you. Sometimes they copy your healing journey, meditation, therapy, self-love, not to grow, but to seem like they've evolved. It's manipulation dressed as self-awareness. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they try to turn your friends against you. If they can't control you, they'll try to control how others view you. Expect whispers, accusations, and character assassinations aimed at your closest allies. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they fake emergencies. They may fake being sick, broke, or in crisis to regain your attention. The goal isn't reconciliation, it's sympathy that reopens communication. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they weaponize your vulnerabilities. Anything you once confided in them, now it's something else. Your secrets become tools for shame, guilt, or blackmail when they've lost emotional control over you. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they threaten your reputation. From false accusations to legal threats, narcissists may go scorched earth. It is their final attempt to maintain the upper hand by creating fear or humiliation. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they sabotage your opportunities. Did a job offer suddenly fall through? A project get blocked? It's not always coincidence. Narcissists may attempt behind the scenes sabotage to keep you from succeeding. So, when a narcissist can no longer control you, they use flying monkeys. Flying monkeys are enablers who do the narcissist bidding, often unknowingly. They'll check on you, guilt trip you, or report back. It keeps the narcissist feeling in control. When the narcissist can no longer control you, they mimic accountability. If all else fails, they may say exactly what you want to hear. I've changed. I'm in therapy. But watch their actions, not their words. Narcissists rarely change long term. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they create chaos. When control is lost, narcissists stir up chaos, legal threats, sudden appearances, online attacks. It keeps you distracted and emotionally off balance. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they love bomb others. To show you what you are missing, they might flood a new person with affection. It's a form of revenge designed to make you feel disposable. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they act like you never mattered. One chilling tactic is pretending you never existed. No acknowledgement, no closure. It's psychological warfare designed to strip you of dignity. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they try to reestablish power randomly. Months or years later, they may pop up as if nothing happened. A text, a like, or a comment, all moment to test if they still hold any power. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they mirror your strength, but weaponize it. If you become more confident, independent, or self-loving, they may try to mirror that and use it to win others over while continuing to undermine you. When a narcissist cannot control you, they recycle their tactics. If all tricks worked before, they'll try them again. Narcissists rarely evolve emotionally. They just repeat patterns with new targets. When a narcissist can no longer control you, they eventually collapse or move on, but never forget. So when they truly can't control you, narcissists either find new supply or spiral into crisis. But they never forget who broke their cycle. You live rent-free in their minds, often forever. So if you've escaped a narcissist's grip, you are stronger than you know. Comment, I reclaimed my power, if you've been through this. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into healing and self-protection. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, and make sure the notification bell is on. That way, every time I upload a new video, you get notified about it. Thank you. Catch you later in the next video.